The point light simulates rays shining out from one infinitely small point. It simulates light from one point. Area. We just place the light almost plus 7 so that you can find out to which direction you want the light. Intensity values are there, color, decay rate, light effects, and shadows. So I'm just going to enable the depth map shadows first. Let's see how the shadows will get casted for a point light. You can see the light is emitting from the top of this character. You can see here, light is here, okay? You can find the resolution of the shadow map. Same like ray trace shadows options are there. So if you click on ray trace shadows, it's not showing any shadows now. Why? Because you haven't enabled ray tracing. Since this is a new file, you have to re-enable the ray tracing values for getting the ray trace shadows casted on the scene. Now you are getting the reflections, you are getting the shadows and even refractions. All this material are having reflection values. For example, this material, it's a blin. So by default, blin is having reflectivity. Okay, by default the value is 0.5. Because of that, it is reflecting. If I am removing this reflectivity, the ground is not reflecting. Okay, so if I put reflectivity of this blin value 1, it's like a mirror now, down. The light will make visibility, means how much light needs to be added. You can add and you can reduce. First stage of adding and reducing the amount of light is the intensity. And switch up the ray tracing. There is no refraction, no reflection. But you can find that render time is 2 seconds. But this one is 6 seconds. So 2 seconds become 6 seconds. So these are the differences between ray trace rendering enabled and normal depth map shadows rendering. So we are enabling the ray trace depth map shadows. You can find out the light effects, the fog, even light glow options are there. If you click, you can find out another point light shape. It is optical effects. You can find soft light effects. we have added the optical effects. And once you want to know more about this, you have to go to that node and you can find out different kinds of glow type. Linear, exponential. By default, it is linear. You can change that to exponential if you want, then it is different now. Then ball. Lens flare effects are there. This is the light up scene of a default point light. You can even save this image in this way. Okay, so it's like today's little assignment is like one file you need to create in white color and another one make it in another color. You can save the image, okay, and you can save it in JPEG format. And the next one you can make it as green. Hold this image, and this needs to be having shadows enabled.